and welcome. You join us on another one of our shoots. And when you're out on a full day shoot like this, across varied terrain, changing light and unpredictable conditions, the one thing that you absolutely cannot afford to do is run out of power. Our shoots start early and late, and somewhere in the middle we'll have gone through a mountain of batteries and memory cards. So today, in addition to cameras, lenses, lights, drones and everything else, we have packed one more very important device. This is a 1200 watt portable power station designed to give you juice on the go. The Luminous Edge Go 1500 is a purpose-built product designed to power your devices on the go. In our line of work, uninterrupted power isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. So could the Edge Go 1500 be our one-stop solution for all our power needs? Let's take you behind the scenes on an Autocar India shoot to find out. We're now deep in the heart of Maharashtra, and this is exactly the sort of place we often find ourselves in. A place with no electricity, no cellular network, and most importantly, no second chances if something were to go wrong.
And to capture this beautiful location in all its glory, we employ a whole host of equipment. Cameras, drones, wireless microphones, the works. And over a full day of filming, they all need charging. That's where the Luminous Edge Go 1500 steps in. And if you've heard the name Luminous before, that's because they're industry leaders in the solar and energy space. With 1200 watts of power pushed out by a lithium-ion battery, it becomes our portable partner on the road. We've got battery chargers plugged in, drone batteries topping up, and even the crew's phones drawing juice between shots.
And the best part about it, it does all of this silently, efficiently, and in the background, all while looking like the premium piece of kit that it actually is and performing as solidly as it looks. It also eliminates the hum or the whir of a typical generator that most people would turn to at a time like this.
Once we wrap up at a location, it's a rush to pack up and move to the next one. But the work doesn't stop even in transit.
Our memory cards fill up quite quickly, especially with 4K footage. And after having driven hours to get to a shoot location, you really don't want to drive hours back and then find out that you've lost data to a corrupted memory card. So backing up is non-negotiable, which is why you'll often find a member of the crew in the back seat, laptop open, memory card slotted in, working through a moving checklist of footage on the go. The Luminous Edge Go 1500 keeps our laptops powered up, helping data transfer happen smoothly and turning the back of our car into a makeshift data bay. It's quite wonderful.
With multiple USB and AC ports, there's enough juice for everyone. No juggling cables and no cumbersome extension boards, just reliable on-the-move productivity.
After a long day of chasing light, shooting shots, and finally getting that one perfect take, we're now checked in for the night. And after a long day's work like this, yes, the shots are important, but it's also equally important to keep the crew's morale high, especially if you've got more to shoot the following day, which we usually do. And there, once again, the Luminous Edge Go 1500 comes to the rescue.
This time, it's the high-quality 90-watt built-in speaker that features Bluetooth connectivity, 97 decibels of bass, and crystal-clear treble filling the space. The crew relaxes, recounts the day, maybe talks about which shot was the best, all to a soundtrack powered by the same device that powered our shoot just moments earlier. A power bank, yes, but also the post-backup party machine. It also has a built-in guitar jack, so you can plug your guitar straight into the Edge Go 1500 and play your favorite tunes. And if you're someone who likes karaoke, the Edge Go also comes with 2 wireless microphones, so nobody is left out. And to make things even more convenient, the Edge Go 1500 charges fully in just 90 minutes. So when you're finally at a place with stable power, you can ensure your Edge Go is quickly charged and ready to go again. If 1200 watts feels like overkill for your needs, Luminous also offers the Edge Go P series, a more compact range for everyday use. There's the P700 with 500 watts of output for daily essentials. The P1000 offers 800 watts for when you need a little more muscle. And the P1200, also rated for 800 watts, is for those who prefer that extra buffer of backup power.
From country roads to dusty highways, from the back of the car to our room at the end of the day, the Edge Go 1500 has proven to be much more than just a backup power source. It's kept our shoot moving along, our data safely backed up, and our crew grooving to their favorite music. So whether you're out on a weekend trip exploring the great outdoors or even shooting video like us, the Edge Go 1500 isn't just a tool, it's a vital companion.